Welcome to the Country Castle. Today I am sharing my simple morning routine. There is something about the early morning that always feels like a fresh start. Before the house is full of conversations, laundry, and all the little moments that make up our day, I love taking a few minutes just to ease into the morning. I've learned that I don't need hours of quiet to feel refreshed. I need simple rhythms, and sometimes it's just a simple cup of coffee and a peaceful home before everyone wakes up. One of my favorite things about living in our home is the way the sunlight pours in every morning. Something that I love to do is to sit in the living room and enjoy my cup of coffee and the quiet before I start hearing little footsteps come down the stairs. Breakfast is usually simple around here. It doesn't have to be elaborate to bring everyone together. These ordinary moments around the kitchen table often become my favorite memories. Once everyone is settled, I like to spend a few minutes getting ready for the day. For a long time, I thought taking time for myself was something I'd do if there was any time left over. But I've realized that prioritizing this time to get ready, wash my face, put a little makeup on, fix my hair, and get dressed helps me feel more like myself. I'm not getting ready because I'm going somewhere special. I'm getting ready because this life is worth showing up for. Even if I'm spending the day cleaning, baking, folding laundry, or working around the house, taking care of myself helps me feel more confident and more present. It's a small habit that's made a big difference. One thing I've learned over the years is that my home doesn't need to be perfect before I can enjoy it. A quick reset in the morning, a made bed, cleared counters, opening the curtains can completely change the way the rest of the day feels. Little by little, the house begins to come alive. The flowers have become one of my favorite parts of summer too. Taking care of them reminds me that beautiful things usually grow slowly. They need consistency more than perfection, and honestly, I think that's true for our homes and families too. One of my favorite things to do is to go outside and pick flowers from my yard to put around my house. It is a simple thing that makes a huge difference. And really, a beautiful life is what we prioritize and what's important to us. After over 20 years of homemaking, I have learned to not schedule things in my mornings so that I can have more of a quiet, slow rhythm. The older I get, the more I appreciate ordinary mornings. They don't look exciting from the outside, but they're the days that make up a life. I have found that slowing down doesn't mean doing less. It means noticing more. The sunlight, the smell of fresh coffee, the sound of kids laughing in another room, the old floors creaking beneath my feet. This is intentional living, and it is something that has definitely saved my sanity in such a busy world. Today's sponsor is Antique Candle Co. As you see, first thing in the morning to start my day, I always light a candle because it sets the mood and tone for my morning. Always light a candle when I bake because I love the ambiance it brings to my kitchen. And I am always lighting one as well in the evening to wind down the house. And Antique Candle Co. has clean fragrances, safe wicks that do not have any lead or metals. They are safe to burn around your pets and your children. One of the candles I have been burning all summer is Sun-Kissed Citrus. This is a fresh, lemony citrus smell, and I just can't get enough of it. It's one of my favorites. Another favorite is Apple Pie because it is a great all-season candle. So I always have one of these in my house because it is so yummy. But if you don't know what candle you want to buy, Antique Candle Co. actually has sample packs that you can buy if you don't want to buy a big one yet. And I have some of those sample candles. Apple Cinnamon, Autumn Berry Orchard, Pumpkin Pecan Waffle is a new one that I wanted to try the sample of. And for a fresh, clean smell, there's Porch Sittin'. If you want to order some candles for your fall and autumn season or some for the end of summer, I have a code, Country Castle 20, that will give you 20% off your order. There's always really good deals if you bundle as well, and I hope that you enjoy the rest of my morning routine. Another thing I love to do to set the intention for our day and create a beautiful, simple morning is to have something baking in the oven. And today it is blueberry muffins, and Miss Sophie is going to be my little helper. It is important to me to create memories with my kids, memories that they can hold on to, and that includes baking and helping them learn alongside me in the kitchen. It's not just about the muffins. It's about creating a home that feels welcoming and lived in. Little traditions like this make ordinary mornings feel special. It's the simple, ordinary moments that make a beautiful life, and if you don't pay attention, you just might miss it. Thank you for spending this slow morning with me. I hope this video encourages you to slow down, enjoy your home, and find beauty in the ordinary. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you next time.